Hello and welcome to Roots Garage.
I know.
For the first time ever. And you're joining us here today in front of a row of garages because Stuart has bought something.
I bought something.
And from what I've been told, it's not great.
It's fine, it's a good car. We don't have much of a budget.
Yeah.
We still have the money. We haven't
we still
sold
have
that
the money.
yet. So the budget is very little to nil, but I've got something that'll be fun.
So now it's my turn to get a surprise. You have not told me much about this car, mate.
No, it was cheap.
It was cheap.
Very cheap.
That's all you've kind
Very,
of told
very
me.
cheap.
So going off the size of the garage, I'm assuming it's another small hatchback.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. Yeah. So the problem is we still have the money. We've not sold it. We've actually listed it yet. So the budget we have is very, very limited.
Okay.
So I've done good.
Yeah, I was surprised when you told me you'd already bought something.
I've done good.
So. Okay,
We've got a car.
we have a car. Stuart, open the door.
Okay. Are you praying? This was cheap.
That's what I'm worried about.
It was very cheap. But it's very cool. Oh, we need a door.
Jesus.
Person needs a door.
Oh, Jesus.
Look what we've got. A Clio with no headlights.
And a
There we
broken
go.
door.
A Clio.
Stuart, that is indeed a Clio, but how much of a Clio is there?
Shells.
It's a shell.
It's missing headlights.
And
A few bits. An engine. My gearbox.
Stuart, this is not a car.
Well, it is.
This is a
technically.
soap box.
And it's missing most of the interior.
It doesn't have a steering wheel.
Well, it might be in there. I don't know. I've not actually looked through this, so there
Oh,
might be more.
Jesus.
It was cheap. Trust me.
How much,
Mental race cars.
how much did you pay for this?
Not much.
Okay.
400.
But, oh, Jesus.
It's got a roll cage.
Cool. Cool. It's got a roll cage.
Yeah. We're building a track car. We're building a track car. I like track cars.
Stuart, how much of a project is this?
It's a project.
It's a...
Oh, it's definitely a project. It's 100% a project.
Stuart, I can see the ground.
Yeah. It's not a complete car.
Complete.
I didn't have much of a budget. What
Sure,
would you
it's
have
not
bought
half
with
a
nothing?
car.
What would you have bought
I
with
would've-
nothing?
Fair enough. How long's this window been down?
Oh, I probably don't know, a while. The only issue we've got, there's one issue. We need to buy another Clio,
One's bad enough.
but we need another one.
Why?
Because this is actually a really, really nice shell. And
Okay.
it's a good car. It just needs something that's rotten, which shouldn't be too hard because it's French.
It does have a roll cage.
And it does have a roll cage.
Half a cage, but
But
that's
we,
pretty cool.
we need something that's been crashed or rotten or something just to get its running gear.
Okay.
Because the actual shell is sound. There's no damage of any kind, and it's a complete shell. Cage. A
Yeah.
roll cage.
Yeah, and miscellaneous interior bits.
I've been assured it's 80% complete. 20% is engine, gearbox,
Is missing the important
exhaust,
stuff.
wheels, parts of suspension, some brakes.
But you have a key.
There's a key.
You have a key. That's. Yep.
It has been used as a track day car.
Don't know why I'm turning the ignition. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Stuart. That's
It's solid.
Okay.
Content.
I'll bear.
Think of
I
the
will.
content.
I will bear with you on this one. Um,
And I think there's other Clio bits in here. There's like some stuff up there. Don't know if
Okay.
that's Clio related, but I would think it would be.
how are we getting out of here?
Well, we have 2 wheels,
2.
maybe 3. I don't know. Think of the positives. It's a Clio.
That definitely has a Clio.
And the collection.
Okay.
They'll
So-
soon be scrap.
We have 2 wheels without tyres
Yes.
and 1 wheel with a tyre.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe another wheel with a tyre. But we definitely have 2 wheels.
So the Clio's tripoding.
Yes.
Tripoding onto the trailer. Okay.
We'll drag it onto the trailer any way we can. We'll get wheels.
Yeah. When we buy another Clio.
Yes. You just need to see the good bits about this. There is some good bits.
Plan is to pull it out of there onto this on 3 wheels, 2 that don't even have tyres.
You crank, I'll push.
Crank that all on the floor. Tell me when.
Go!
Nope.
Pick it up.
Nah, it's just doing the same hang.
Ah, it's on the ramp this side.
Aye, but the ramps are under the trailer.
Ah, we can fix that though.
Eh?
We can fix that, just keep going in it.
Just keep going.
Aye.
Okay.
Stop.
Do you want to do that? I'll push. You've got the strap.
You need to put the handbrake off.
Okay.
So I'm just pulling it on a bit, putting the handbrake on, then moving the trailer again. Right.
Right.
Right, stop. You need to steer the car that way.
How?
Just push the wheel, it'll turn. I've already turned the actual wheels.
Right.
Just give me a twist, it'll move.
I can't even get out.
Right, so that's. There you go.
That look. Handbrake off.
Yeah.
Right. She's on. Well, wasn't pretty, but it's on the trailer.
That's Renault.
Stuart's collecting parts. Just saying, it wasn't very pretty, but she's on the trailer.
It's on. If it's on, it's gone.
If it's on,
Look at that.
gone. Oh, Jesus, watch your head. First proper look at this.
Don't look in there.
Then you look in where? Oh, God.
It's athletics, it's fine.
Aye, because that's always
French cars are known for their amazing athletics.
But aye, just look at this thing. Stuart, I think I'm maybe starting to see the vision.
Ooh. Well, let's get this thing strapped up and we'll see you back at the unit.
Agreed.
Hope it doesn't fall off.
Hopefully.
Cue the car.
Well, we've made it back to the yard. So we're going to give this thing a quick wash before putting it inside because, as you've seen, she's a bit dusty. Ah.
Hey, my car.
You got the Ranger.
My car's going to get in a minute too.
Yeah.
I hate when it loses pressure. Cleans up nice though.
I am editing this video right now and I have just noticed that we have had an audio issue on this outro. So yeah, we are both absolutely buzzing about this wee project. As you can see, I'm giving Stuart a bit of a ribbon here for buying it, but I actually think he's done a really good job. It's going to be the biggest project we've done to date. And if you guys want to see more of it, we would highly appreciate it if you would join in and watch us. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel, like this video. It does help out. It really does. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one where we won't have audio issues. So yeah, bye guys. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one.